Singularity update. All right, this breakout that we did have here ended up being a fake out. All right, sometimes this market, boy oh boy, not sometimes, it'll test you a lot. Okay, you finally break down, you get sick of holding something, then you dump it, and then that's when it flips around on you here. Okay, I believe this thing is, not financial based, but it's coming in for a bottom. I mean, it absolutely has to be. Okay, back here, you can clearly see this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up top here. We've had 7 waves down in this thing, all right? If you count them out, and 7 waves is a very good indicator of a reversal coming. Sorry, couldn't get that out. Reversal. So there's your 5. Then you ended up having 6. Okay, your 5, 6, 7. That was your 7th wave down. All right, just like PayPal. All right, PayPal is doing the same exact thing right now. I'm going to show you that real quick. All right, we're going to split the screen, and I'm going to bring PayPal into the picture here. All right, let's move over here. I want to show you this because I cover PayPal also. All right, let's get right down to it here. Let's pull this over. This is on the weekly also, but you can see right here with PayPal. All right, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you had 5 waves down. Now this 5th wave was up a little bit higher right up there. Then you had 6, 7. Okay, your 7th wave down. All right, and if you go, check out this stuff. I have trading videos out there. Level 3 membership, $14.99. You can go learn all this stuff. I want to give a big shout out real quick, and then we'll get right back to this, to my members, because I got the best members out there, and I very much appreciate everything you guys do for me out there, and thank you so very, very much, guys. Yeah, it means the world to me. It keeps the channel going. It really, really does, because I'm just a small channel, 1,800 subscribers. Nothing big at all. I come out and I just try to tell the truth to everybody, do the best I can, and try to help people. I really do, and I've had great comments from these videos. There's like 7 hours worth of trading videos in there to teach you stuff, and it helps. It helps the channel a lot. Just watching and giving a thumbs up helps the channel. But if you really want to support it, even a 99-cent membership a month helps tremendously. For the time to do that. I have a lot of time in doing these videos. And I feel very fortunate to help a few people out there. I've definitely I feel fortunate about that. I've gotten some great feedback from people, so that makes it worth it. Also, it's just helping another human being. That's what I'm all about, man. Just love people and live your life like it's your last day. Really, because you never know when it is. But anyway, without getting into all that. Just a big shout out and thank you so much, guys. But when you look at PayPal here, all right, it did it 7 waves down. It absolutely, this thing is bottomed out. Okay, I was looking back through here. It goes back to 2015. This is on the weekly. All right, and you can see right here, PayPal is. I'm going to show you because these things are doing very similar things right now. Okay, this thing ended up having a fake out there, came back down. It's hit support here. All right, look at these RSIs. You got your weekly RSI right at the bottom, ready to flip up. Singularity weekly right at the bottom, ready to flip up. It had a fake out here, very similar to PayPal. It had this fake out right in there. Okay, so you got your weekly ready to go. Back over to PayPal, you got your daily coming up. Back over here, you got your daily just about reset here for Singularity. Whoops, sorry about that, guys. Get that off there. But anyway, I'm expecting a massive pump here for PayPal. Look how low it is down here, similar to here, 39. This over here is at a 40 on the daily, on the weekly. The weekly's the big one. This is the one that is going to set this thing going. Right down here, what are we at? A 38. And over here on the weekly, we're at a 40. So very similar. Both did 7 waves down. Both have definitely bottomed out, close to bottomed out, or to have bottomed out. But let's get back to just singularity here. I just want to basically show you the 7 waves down. PayPal is going to bounce hard here. It's coming. Okay, AGIX. Right here you can see it's retesting the official launch area. Over here it's retesting this area. Right here is support. This area as support. Very, very good support area. Right here through here, this was a massive support area. Okay, so right through here is a huge holding area for this thing. After that 7th wave down, I truly believe this thing is getting ready to go. Look how low. It's at a 40 down here. Okay, you can see back through here. The only time it's been lower than that was right through this accumulation period down through there. All right, now if we go over, oops, this popped offline. There we go. We got it back on. Now let's open this up. Okay, we got the daily just about reset, a 14 and a 22. Okay, this thing is just about there, almost at the bottom. It could turn up right now, just like it did over there. It's just at that stage where any second that thing could go. The 12-hour reset, ready to go. Okay, the 12 hours on the bottom. It's ready to start heading up here. We got the 4-hour on the bottom, 8-hour just about on the bottom. So this thing's getting ready to go, guys. Like I said, that daily's at the bottom, the weekly's at the bottom. Just a matter of waiting it out here. When it's ready to go, it's going to go. I believe Bitcoin is going to be the catalyst here. It always is for things to start moving. But this thing is so close to breaking out again. If we go out in the daily, look at it, it is right up against this resistance. Let's fatten this up a little bit so we can see it a little bit better. I apologize about the pop-ups. I'm a huge Steeler fan. Had to stream it from on streaming to my TV yesterday because I'm not local anymore. I lived in Pittsburgh for a long time, moved. Now NFL Sunday ticket, I just couldn't force myself to pay $400 for that, so found a place where I could stream it for free. But now I got these dang pop-ups happening, so got to get rid of those things. Now if we go on the bottom here and look at this thing, okay, you can see a support right. If we start breaking things down here, support right there. All right, that it has regained. Okay, yeah, you always got to worry about that when it breaks the support level, if it's going to come up and back test it now as resistance, or if it's going to regain it. It has regained it. You can see through here, right here. Okay, actually it was down here. Okay, it's regained that level, and I believe this is coming anytime. I really do. I truly believe that. I'm not saying it just for a video. I truly believe that this thing's getting ready to make a massive rally. I did this fake out right here. I thought that was it, but obviously it needed one more pullback. And it's the whole market today. It really is. Look at it on the right hand side. Everything is pretty much in the red. That's because Bitcoin's having a pullback here. Not huge, but $343. Look at Bitcoin dominance. This thing is just a beast right now. 51%. Hasn't been that high, in this area for a long time. You go back here to 2021. Right here's the last time it was in this area. It was back in April and May. Right in the middle of the bull run, where it took a massive drop, and the altcoins were just flying during this time here. All right, but Bitcoin's, it's coming up against a huge resistance at that 51. What is it here? Right about 52. That's this resistance here, and then if it makes it through there, up at 57, it's got a huge resistance. Now we have the weekly heading up on this thing, so it looks like it's going to go higher. It's busted through the Fibonacci level busted through the 702. You can see here, right through it. Look at that. Went right through the 702, and we'll see what happens here. But right now, it's really doing well. Holding this support line, this blue line right here. Fatten that up a little bit so you can see it. Holding that and riding it right up. So, all right, guys. Thank you so very, very much. Hang in there. That's the hardest part. Not financial advice. Just that is the hardest part of crypto, is hanging in there. You get tired, you get sick, you sell, and then that big rally starts, and then you buy back in, and you lost a pile of profits. Singularity Net is a solid project. This thing isn't going anywhere. Agix, artificial intelligence, is it's the future for sure, and this company here, they're not going anywhere. Let's see where they're at as far as, just curious. I'm not even sure. AGI, where are we at here? Singularity Net, number 122. See where the volume and everything's at here. Look at the volume, up 133%. You don't think people think something's coming? Wow. 18 million in volume, up 132%. So yesterday it must have been about 7 million. Look at that. There's people out there, there's traders out there that are looking at the same thing I'm looking at. You got a weekly RSI at the bottom. You got the daily almost reset, the 12 hours reset, the 8 hour is just about there, and the 4 hour is reset. So you have a coin that is getting ready, to possibly make a decent rally. All right, guys. Thank you so very, very much, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day, everybody.